everyone, it's Rebecca from Bekah Bites. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you'll be notified every time I post a video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make cream of broccoli soup. Cream soups are one of my favorites. It's so comforting. It just gives my stomach a nice little hug, so I really love cream soups, and I'm going to show you as we go on how you could use different vegetables to make these cream soups. You could substitute for pumpkin, corn, carrots, anything that you have, you can substitute and you'll be able to make it. So follow me and let's go.
To start, I'm placing a large pot on medium to low heat, and to that I'm adding about a tablespoon of coconut oil, and I'm adding my celery, onions and garlic. You're gonna cook this till the onion looks translucent. Add about 4 cups of water, and we're gonna flavor this with a dash of cayenne pepper and a teaspoon of some good curry powder. Add your broccoli florets to the patty and cover with a lid and bring to a boil for about 15 to 20 minutes until your broccoli is very tender. Transfer to a blender and puree. Set that aside, and let's finish this recipe up with the base for any cream soup. I'm starting by making what we call a roux. It's simply melted butter and flour. Cook that till the flour and the butter become one. At this point, you're adding your milk to the roux to create a bechamel sauce. Add the milk in about 3 portions for a smooth marriage between the roux and the milk. Of course, salt and pepper to taste. This sauce is always mesmerizing to me. Remember that puree we did earlier? Time to mix that in with the rest of these guys and just give it a good stir. Add in the remainder of the broccoli florets and let it simmer for about 5 minutes to cook the broccoli. Taking out a good portion for myself with some garlic bread. Of course, I must drizzle this with some heavy cream for that extra creaminess. this was so delectable. It finished within that same day.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share the videos with a friend. Bye!